Bro, his computer's so strong. I don't
He
understand
literally
why it
has
crashes.
the strongest PC out of all of us.
His computer, he literally has a 5090 in there. And he
Yeah, but
also has a
your build is way
what's his
better.
CPU? Is it a? It's not a 98. I think it's a 9950 X3D, some shit like that. I don't remember. He basically has the best CPU and the best GPU combined, and like 64 gigs of RAM.
RAM?
64 gigs of production.
64 gigs of production. His is water cooled. Do you know what your chip is? Is it an i9?
His CPU?
Yeah.
No, it's AMD. I think it's a
an
90.
AMD Ryzen.
Yeah, I think it's a Ryzen 9 9950.
That's banger.
Yeah, he literally has the best shit.
Yeah, we got Rhymes' PC after me and JJ's, and me and JJ's were, yeah. We ordered 3 of the same PCs. The third one never came in, and then so we just canceled that order and went to Canada Computers, which is like the best computer place here in Canada, and we just got him the most correct one possible, especially since he is the one streaming across all socials, all that kind of good stuff.
He is pushing it pretty hard.
Oh, massively.
He's running multiple recordings and streaming on all the socials all at the same time, while also trading and having like a bunch of tabs open and shit.
Yep.
So he's like, yeah.
There is that full deviation test, guys. So if we get the bounce off of here, that would be massive, as you guys can see, putting in some massive green at that full deviation. The levels are still leveling, don't get me wrong. But again, we play to what's at the forefront, and the forefront is literally saying, don't try to fade this shit. And it would make sense as to why we wouldn't try to fade it. But I attempted, got a nice bounce, was in some nice green, didn't want to take out that first PT, and I took some bleed out here. Let the blood draw.
Let the bodies hit the floor.
Let the bodies hit the floor. But that would be room for another entry or an average down as well if you guys are still in. So
I have a question.
Yes.
Since we are Prophub and we are the most transparent and show absolutely everything, watching this absolute dumper, I need people in chat to be completely honest. Who cooked their account trying to go long this entire time? I gotta be honest. You gotta be transparent with yourself. You gotta hold yourself accountable in front of all the people. Who cooked themselves trying to go long?
Who's dancing?
Still no trade for me. Oh, user lost both his accounts. I'm up on futures, no trade on options. Alright. I understand. Still waiting to hear more people. Took a long, lost 40, but still green on the day. Need 500 more to pass top 150k. Banger. Don't understand what I got messed up. No volume whatsoever. Reset, logged out, etc. Oh well, guess I'll just read. Guys, make sure to talk to Coach Rogers in the chat. I actually need somebody to do a live subtitling in chat for when we're talking. Up 1380 on futures, up 265 on Vanquish. Very, very nice. This is actually, like, structurally, this is actually looking pretty good for a flip back up, by the way.
Straight off the level 2. If you guys have the indicator, absolute banger for y'all.
Why is that song stuck in my head? Were you singing that? That song. Were you singing that?
Maybe. I don't know. I have ADHD.
I understand.
Here is our previous month POC, guys, and we are heading back to that entry criteria that I initially had at 7, 10, 72, but it could easily come retest that structure and reject. So if you guys were looking for any trims or exits, it would be that right there. Again, we are not financial advisors. That's just what I see on my chart. Any reclaims of that level is absolutely bullish, because we now head back to our swing low from our day close yesterday. And that positions us back in that same entry point that we had prior. So just trusting the analysis and seeing what the market gives us. Like I said, at the open, you are playing with very, very high IV. So even though it's back to that level, you have now been crushed by not just theta, but IV as well. So you guys have to be making sure that you guys are trading with full confidence and playing smart and positioning your sizing very smart as well. So that on NQ would have been green, right? Because we entered right here at that 50%. But on Qs, I am still red because of that exact same thing I just said. You're playing with IV and theta. Let the bodies hit the floor. So I'd love to see it just closed on a 1 minute. And honestly, this thing could be back in our favor, or in my favor, I should say. I don't know what y'all are doing, but that could come back in my favor if that continues to hold. That's 71072. And that is using Sigma, guys.
What an absolutely bangerific definitious
On
reversal.
NQ, that would be 29,500 that it needs to hold, and it looks like it is still struggling to get that full reclaim. So 29,500 to 29,530. I would love the reclaim of a full 530 on NQ. If it can't get that, she will continue to struggle wagon.
What did you say? 29,505? Or is that what I'm saying?
That's what you're saying. I just said 500.
Oh.
But I agree.
I understand.
Because I said 500. I give a range always. So I said a full reclaim of 530, but if it can hold 500, I'm still a massive fan of a potential reversion back up.
I agree. For Qs, I still want above 1250, 1250.
Yeah. And now that we have this range, guys, you guys could also, let's use our fibs. Let's grab from today's pivot high. Not even using pre-market and that data wick, even though I technically should. I will. And let's mark out. Whoa, not that one.
Have you should Goodwood? What? Very nice, very kind.
Very nice, very mine.
This whole week has been wild for NQ.
Yep.
I actually really like that close.
So I put it on my chart, guys.
For Qs.
As you guys can see from that pivot low, it would have been beautiful take at that previous high when we were green. But obviously I didn't, and we didn't have the full information of where our real swing low would be. But it's basically saying that we have room all the way to 714 if this continues. And that would be the start of the golden zone retracement for today's session from our pivot highs.
Very interesting. I think NQ is going to go back to 600.
Yep. There is your 50% of the gap again. Trying to be reclaimed right here. I do have my cost average still sitting at 4298, so basically 430. And we are about to see break even if we can get another candle up. If not, then I will actually look to exit this trade altogether. Especially with it being a lot more volatile now. I do have a trim set at, I just adjusted it at 535. And I might even drag that a little lower just so that I can get some of this cost average out. Let me do that. So I'm not going to get greedy, playing to the chart now. And basically at this pivot low, where it used to be, is where my trim is going to be. In the future, we will share, I keep saying this and we haven't done it yet, but we will. I will share my full DX with you guys because, again, we are transparent. So you guys will be able to see my full execution on DX as well as my trading view. So it's nice to see my trading view, but it would also be nice to know how many cons I'm in, when I actually average down, all that kind of stuff if I do fail to say it out loud. Also, that was green for a second. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let them hit the floor. What? What? Hit the floor. Like who? Who's done that there? Like what? 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 Who said that? came back to that 382, guys. So still sitting inside of our OR15 golden zone. We need this to continue to pop above 712. There it goes. We are back inside of the green for a whole 1.2 seconds. There we go. There's green on the board. Can it get the close that I am looking for?
What are you looking for? Oh, there's a 600. Beauty.
Boom.
Anybody
And there we
else?
go. And about to get filled. Currently up. It
Good
tested
shit.
160 or 460, sorry, on the cons. And let's see what it can do from here. Basically, my trim point is as soon as it hits 713.55. But on terms of limits, it is at 470, which it is still $20 shy per contract of getting there. It was 10 points shy, even right there. And let's see if it gets filled. I could just market it and exit out that trim out to keep myself a lot more protected and safe. But let's see.
I really need to go to the washroom.
Do it up, baby.
Also, Zonk's gambling and gambling. Get it? Do you get it?
Currently up
didn't get it.
340 on today's session, guys. And you know what? Let's adjust my cons to 12. Whoa, what am I doing? 12 for the limit. And boom, filled.
Ooh,
Absolutely sexy.
beautiful.
And awesome. We can now move our stop. As you guys can see, if you guys are on TikTok or any socials, you guys can see my running P&L. So currently up 760 on the day. Absolute gorgeous. We are hitting that golden zone. That is my TP that I told y'all. And trimming out most here now. Absolute sexy pop, guys. We called that bottom, literally bottom tick at that full deviation to this golden zone right here, which is my trim point. Absolutely sexy. Locking in $591 for the session and currently still up $330 with 2 contracts running, moving my SL now in profit. Absolute sexy. Who is green for this given session, guys?
Our NQ ATR is 92.
I am not surprised at all.
It's actually insane. Can you do me a favor?
I'm adjusting my stop. 1 second.
All right, when you're done, let me know.
Let me put my stop.
Where are the poles? Oh, let me hit the poles. Let me hit the poles.
Let me put my SL, guys, at 7 or 395. So I will still realize $40 per contract, securing $80 hairs. And there is my stop in profit. Great. Absolute sexy, guys. We are currently up from 357 cost average now all the way to 520 on these cons. And that is hitting my wall of my golden retrace. And you know what? I can even stagger these. Why don't we do that instead? Huh?
Everyone answer the
Absolutely
poll in
sexy.
chat.
I'm going to continue to drag my SL up as we
Wow.
approach these highs on the contracts, because on the actual options chart, which I do like to trade on, you guys can see right here. Bing, bang, boom.
Oh yeah, for all the Prophub people, make sure to put all your profits in the testimonials chat. It's Thursday, so tomorrow
Plus
testies are gonna be
517.
scraped.
Let's fucking go. Oh my God, me and Ace printed. Let's go. Not available. Who else is green up in here?
Oh yeah,
Let
are
me
you
see
done?
some testimonials and all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, what's up?
Okay, so my favor is, do you want to entertain stream while I go to the washroom?
I mean, yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Oh,
Right?
okay, all right.
So there we go, guys. He is heading out, and no matter what, we will secure $200 on this trade if I do get stopped out in profit. Could I let a runner run? Yes. Which, to be honest, I kind of want to do. But that was PT right there, nonetheless. And nothing stops you guys from entering a new trade once valid again. So if I do get tapped, I get tapped, and I followed my analysis. So you know what? I'm going to oblige with what I just said. And there we go. Tapped out and securing, guys, on the day so far, $813, all showed live, full P&L, and everything shown across all socials. Absolute banger. Nice. Absolutely sexy. Absolutely sexy. Who's green? Who's red? What's going on? Tell me what's up. Tell me what is up. Tell me what is up. Look at that PT though, guys. My levels have leveled. I called the initial bounce from point 0.5, came all the way to that range, didn't want to take at that first PT, came all the way down to the next sigma full deviation, came all the way back to that range, and a nice rejection from there. I don't know about y'all, but the levels be leveling, the chart be leveling, and all of the TA is absolutely up to par for today's session. Just joined. Did you long? Can I ask from where? Yes. So we took the initial trade bounce from point 0.5, and this is off of OR extension. And we took that bounce. Didn't want to take out that first PT, so I was holding the bag, knowing that we did have a massive bounce off of our sigma. Took the average down once we got there because now I had full conviction inside the trade and rode that all the way up to today's retrace zone. So beautiful PT, beautiful takes nonetheless. And those are both of the reversions from today's trades. And again, nothing stops this thing from continuing to slide down, especially as we just printed in a new equal high off of that structure. So if that continues to break through 710.72 now, and we break today's low, we now have structural bias to the downside. Today is a lot more on the informative side. Usually we are just absolutely goofing, but once we do enter into a trade, we are nice and serious. Hence why today's session has been a lot more of the technical and analyzing. But now that I am finished, we can now goof. Right, Rams? He said, what? Who put that there? That fib was fibbing on QQQ. No, for real, Taylor. That was such a beautiful take and analysis that we just broke down completely for today's session. This is probably maybe the second strongest Vanquish day that we've had. We stream here, guys, every single Thursday. So if you guys want to continue to see us every Thursday trading options, then make sure to check us out and make sure to sign up for that event whenever it does happen so that you guys don't miss it. If you guys want to see us trade every single day, then make sure to check out Prophub trading across all socials and join the Discord if you guys were interested in that as well. You guys are the best. I appreciate you, Trade Catcher. And I know that Gonzalo also just got a payout from Vanquish. So he'll be getting his new role soon over here at Vanquish, which is sick. And there we go, sliding underneath that 50% gap fill again. Had a nice reclaim, a nice reversion back to the mean being our weekly POC, our previous month POC. And now that it has tested on this higher time frame, because if we go over to our 15-minute, you guys can see that it was just a structural test right there. Even on a 5-minute, looks pretty beautiful, right? Have a nice seller wick printing in, and that is just your only reversion on the higher time frames. Whereas on the 1 minute, we did have that initial bounce. Hence why I split screen myself. That way you guys can see all the pictures. Needs 750 to pass now. Don't rush it, T-Cuss, but congrats. Absolutely massive. Super proud of you. What a session so far, guys. Not forcing any trades, just waiting for the setup to present itself now, now that we have a lot more information for today's session. Also, I did tell you guys that right inside of, when was it? 7 or 946, 946, which is right here. I did get the signal for the short, and that was absolutely massive, coming down a whole 9.64 doll hairs, which is 1.35%. You guys can only imagine how much that was on your options. And I can show you guys that trigger as well. No BS over here. We show everything. And there is the short trade right there as well. shown through the indicator. Absolutely sexy. So that top line right there is your SL. Never even came into drawdown at all for a beautiful print down into those levels that I showed. Also, where is my indicator? I just deleted that by accident. How's everyone doing today? I need a video. I need that video on how to use DX Trader. Ended green, but I need to be smoother with the exit. I've been using flatten all. Yeah, flatten all is not bad, especially for beginners, but actually utilizing even just your options chart, guys, is massive. And I can't wait for us to release the dashboard video to really help you guys out. Teach XYZ said flat, haven't taken any trade. Very fair. Today is insanely volatile, and sometimes it's just better to sit out whenever that is the case. Kels just said, I need a break lower, scale 465. Beautiful, Kels. Kels is one of the coaches over at PHUB, Prophub. If you guys are looking to purchase any new accounts with Vanquish, you guys will always get the best discounts using code PHUB as well. And if you guys are interested in any futures props, then you guys can do that over there as well, which will always give you the best discounts. So our open, guys, as you guys can see right here, insane volume this session, absolutely insane. And we are slowly phasing out of a lot of that volume. That initial push, as you guys can see from that 10 a.m. Close all the way through to 10:05, had nice volume building up, but then slowly started to dissipate away, meaning you didn't have that full confirmation of a push through that golden zone. Here we come again off of that 0.5. That was a crucial ass level that I told you guys, and hence why that was the initial entry and why I said go light. And then as soon as it came to the bottom, went in heavy. Hence how we are green for today's session. Big C up 385. Let's go, Big C. Today we are also giving giveaways, guys. So stay tight, hold on tight, and you guys will be entered into the giveaway as well. We have a new way of running it, which is so fun, and I'm excited to run that with y'all. Up $2,111 on a 150K. Let's fucking go. Who has rice? Toasty just said JJ didn't come to class or stream. I know. What's going on, huh? We just decided to stream his chair today, Toasty. What's the marble site to sign up at? Yo, is there any way to run the marbles through Discord? It has to be through Twitch? Okay, that's fine. There is a nice pushy push. Rip ducks and leprechauns for real, Phineas. We have a new style now. But that was fun while it lasted. And everyone uses ducks. We had to change it up a bit. Let's go, M Doc. Absolute banger. Let's go. That is sexy. M Doc currently
Who's talking shit about
currently available $3,196 for a payout.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Does he have code PHUB? Ooh, is he a Prophub member? Ooh. And he's printing? Ooh, wow, very.
Let's
Ooh,
go.
wow. Oh, wow.
Did you hear Toasty ripping on you in your ear?
No, but I heard Toasty ripping her bong.
Ooh, Toasty.
I see,
Yo. Wait. Chat. Who am I?
You can't hear it. if you go. It's not picking up.
Oh, man. They still can't hear it, but I'm Toasty. And then you do the.
And then she hits class. She's like,
Yeah.
wait, what's a CE again? No, I'm just kidding.
She's like, man, shit, I don't understand this.
Holy, wait, did someone bring up Kiwi?
Yeah, Toasty did.
Oh, what happened?
Because you came in sounding like Kiwi.
What? What did I mean?
John, they want the full explanation as to why you weren't at class yesterday.
I was busy.
Trading
Right?
blank is a hack, low key.
I completely disagree.
Yeah, I don't recommend it. I mean, it definitely depends on every single individual's personality type. But we have someone who is an absolute stone. I'm not going to continue that. And you guys have probably heard of them, Break Trades, and he legit is an absolute stone.
Dude, that's because him
No, but
regular
he,
is
yeah, no,
wired.
but he
Like,
also said that he never does it while trading. It's always after.
that makes sense. He does it while teaching.
Yeah, for real.
But yo, he teaches really good. I actually love his teaching style.
Yeah. Me too. That is probably one of the only other traders that I glaze in this
Yeah,
space.
for real. Greeting.
Greetings. What is up, Miss? Miss Eileen Alice? Nice to meet you. You are new here. Nice to meet ya. How are you doing today? What a session, guys. And obviously rejecting off of that same golden retracement that we placed on our screen. So, John, you know how we like to do our nice golden extensions? Placed it for today's session, and look how beautiful all of those rejections are and where I took my
Banger.
TP.
Banger.
Warming up for the races. I'm going places. Might be a big one. I'm not going to waste it. Where's that from, guys? First person to say it gets an account. Just jokes. Y'all thought you were quick enough. Oh, that's sick. Her
What a
hat
banger day
coming
though,
out.
for real.
Such a banger day. We caught that open push during pre-market, which was nice. And then as soon as we came over here in Vanquish, had to hit some printers here as well.
Yo, should we just say fuck it, run a giveaway?
Do it up. We're doing a little pause section
it?
right now. I don't have any trades. We're sitting in between those two zones of that 0.5 and that golden extension, which was
Ooh.
nice at the beginning. But
Okay.
now it is definitely less conviction, especially as we are establishing some chop inside of here.
Okay. Every single person in chat, I need you guys to really pay attention right now. So, first of all, who in chat is down to do a giveaway to get free Vanquish accounts?
Free.
I need everyone to listen to my voice because I don't want to repeat this 36 times because there's a slight process. So, who wants a free account? Who wants to enter the giveaway for free and win a free account in chat? Let me see.
Let me see.
Who's down? Who's down? Okay. Now listen. This is very, very simple. Okay. First of all, what you have to do, right, is you have to wait. Right? You have to wait, right? What the fuck? Hold on. Everyone, stay locked in. Stay locked in. All right. Just give me a second. Give me 1 second. Stay locked in.
I'm locked.
Are you locked?
Yeah.
Like for real though? You're locked in, right? Okay. So the way this giveaway works, look in the chat. All the locked in people. Look in the chat. Ready? That's the Twitch. Okay. You have to join the Twitch and wait for my next step. All right. I'm gonna open the marble race. Now, why you need to go on the Twitch is because the only way to join the marble race, it's based off the Twitch viewers.
Yeah.
Right?
And you guys must follow as well.
So I'm gonna open it. Right? Everybody join the Twitch. If you don't have a Twitch account, it takes 1 minute to make it. Also, if you have Amazon Prime, you get a free subscribe. So if you want to use your subscribe on us, that'd be bangerific.
If you guys are on mobile, you guys won't be able to set up your Amazon Prime. It is only through desktop or Safari or your Chrome browser. But I mean,
okay,
y'all get the premise there.
Okay, everyone's still locked in.
Let's go, Coffee and Cards. Thank you for the subscribe. Again, guys, it is free to do so.
Everyone's still locked in, right? You guys joined the Twitch, right? Ace, stop sharing your screen. Here we go, chat. I need you guys to pay attention.
People are saying, wait.
Don't worry, I'm giving you guys time to go on the Twitch, get your accounts ready, use your Prime sub. You know what I mean? But I'm now sharing screen. This is Marble Race. wait getting my account. Don't worry, I'm giving you guys time. I'm giving you guys a lot of time. But for the people who are ready, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to race.
There you
Right.
guys go. I showed you guys how to use your Amazon Prime as well. It's
Looks bang.
www.twitch.tv/prime. And again, it doesn't work on mobile unless you guys are using your web browser.
Coils of power. That sounds dope. Viewers. All right. For everybody that's on the Twitch already, to join, all you have to do in the Twitch chat
Shout
is
out
type
Iron
in.
Mata for the Prime.
All you have to do is type in !play. I'm gonna put it in the Discord. Very simple. Just type that in to the Twitch chat. Ooh, and look at that. You see people already joining. It's very, very simple. So
We got 35 people in here, guys, on Twitch. If you guys want to be entered into the giveaway, make sure to head over to Twitch.
Mm-hmm.
We are sharing the screens of the marbles. And again, there is nothing going on for trades right now. I will tell you guys if I do look at any trades. You guys could still see my Vanquish P&L up there, even on Twitch. So if it does start to move, you can be like, hey, Ace, you're in the trade.
Hey. So as you can see, 25 people have joined. We have 57 people in here, which means another like 30-something people don't want free stuff for free. It's very simple. Go to the Twitch link I sent in chat, twitch.tv/Prophub trading.
Also, if we get one more sub, we actually start a hype train.
No mobile? What do you mean no mobile? Anyone can join. As long as you can type in !play in the Twitch chat, you will auto join. You can be on phone, you could be on your computer, you could be on an iPad. You just can't be on a Nokia.
Yeah, and also if it is your first time on Twitch, make sure to hit that follow. Sonk did hydrate. Hydrate, boys.
I don't have any drinks.
Just pretend.
Type shit.
You drank
Type
it.
shit. Look at this. Who do we got so far? We got, ooh, look at this. We got A, True, Umang, Hoopy, Zonk, Oi, me.
We keep testing that level on NQ. Trust, I know.
Armada, Tenkura, Phineas, The Toasty Mama, Rams, J Loopy, DY, Kanyesis. Not available. Ed, Fishats, Coffee.
Here, I have an idea.
Taylor, Party. By the way, all the blue names, those are people that are subbed to the Twitch. So those are the GOATs. They get a boost.
Sorry, Rams, 1 second. Trying to do something on my end.
All right, chat, 29 people. Is anybody else still trying to join the free giveaway?
There you guys go. You guys still have my chart just in case. I don't want anyone to complain.
Free Vanquish account. All you got to do is type in !play on Twitch. That's it. And then you're in. What does my name not have color? You only have color if you're subscribed on the Twitch. And everyone has a free subscribed with Amazon Prime.
I already am. Oh, on Twitch.
I understand. All right, we got 34 people. Ooh. Are we waiting for anyone else? I'll give it another minute. All right, it takes nothing to join. All it takes is 4 letters. Let's see this map. What is this map looking like? Ooh. Ooh, we got ooh. Remove the chart. Ooh, look at all that. Very nice. Are we ready? Everyone in chat, are we ready? Discord chat and Twitch chat. Are we ready? I need to start seeing some spamming, some hype. For real, for real. Mike Flies is not ready. Why are you not ready, Mike? What are you waiting for? How's Twitch chat looking? We popping? I understand,
sure?
I understand.
There's still a differential.
36 people, all right.
There's only 36 people, but we have 59 inside of Vanquish. If you guys want to enter into the giveaway, make sure to head over to Twitch and click !play.
Here, I'll resend the Twitch. That's all you got to do. You just got to click on this link, go to the chat, and type in !play, and you're in. That's it. And then you can win a free account. Very simple.
And also, if you guys are kind, make sure to sub with Prime. It is 100% free if you guys have Amazon Prime. If not, it is what it is. We appreciate you guys anyway for joining us on stream.
Iron Mata subbed, 10 subbed, Sweaty, Rob. Oh my god, that's Rob. Coffee and Cards, Zulu, Trade Catcher. The GOATs. For real, for real.
We will also be giving away a 50K of your choosing 100% for free for the first month Also, guys, here we are entering into that zone. We are finally trying to get a new high printed in. This might be a little area of confluence for me to have a very, very tiny size, but a size nonetheless into that long.
Still
Looking
got people
at
joining.
716 Cs. So we will see how that goes from here.
I'm Jay Loopy on there. I understand. Are we ready? I'm gonna give it until this candle close, so 15 seconds, and then we're running it.
Are we waiting for anyone, guys? We don't want to miss any of y'all. We don't want any complainers.
No one's saying no. No one's saying no. Seems like we're good. All right. I think it's time to see who's gonna win. 10, 9, 8. I'm not gonna count. Here we go. Who do you think? Who do you got? Who do you got in this?
Who do I got in this?
Who do you got in this?
Sorry.
Boom. And we are off. Ooh, look at this. Look at all these marbles. Look at all. You guys can see the leaderboard on the top right also for who's currently
Nice rejection
in
off of that
first.
top, guys. Holy
Ooh,
smoke.
there we go. Ooh, there we go. Oh, we already got some people. I'm going in the hole. What? 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 We got Fawaz in the lead. Ooh, there's lasers. Yeah, you guys could also die, by the way. So hopefully nobody dies. Everyone gets to go. So far, Fawaz is in first place. Scotty. Ooh, Scotty. Scotty
Wow,
took
what a
shortcut.
rejection, y'all.
Look at this.
Trade could be done real soon. Again, trading off the chart, looking at that 710.72, looking to flip green
Ooh.
right there on a 1
Fawaz,
minute.
no! R.I.P. Fawaz is dead. Sorry, Fawaz. Oh, Iron Mata is dead. Mag is dead. Looney is dead. All these people are dying. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, chat? Look at Scotty taking his sweet old time. Very beautiful. We got a lot of time for people to catch up.
We're going places.
We got a lot of time. Oh, no, not available. R.I.P. Let's get some R.I.Ps in the chat. Not available is dead.
RIP.
Oh my god, who's it gonna be? Scotty. Oh, Ed. R.I.P. Ed. Timid and Scotty. Timid and Scotty. Who's it gonna be? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so close. It's right here. It's right here. They're stuck. I think Timid is stuck. I'm gonna put it in slow-mo. Not yet.
Guys,
Oh my God, Alvin.
exclamation mark boost
Oh.
to get faster. Exclamation part boost
Dante.
to become faster.
Congratulations, Dante. You are the winner.
No one used their boost that one.
No one used their boost, man. Wow, I came in second. That's actually hilarious. Look at all these people. Absolutely fantastic.
All right, guys, that's account number 1. Should we run it again? W's in the chat if we should run it again.
Let's get some W's in the chat.
W's in the chat if we
Damn,
should
bro,
run
there's
it
people
again.
so far behind. This is actually insane. Holy.
Let's go. Shout out to
Oh,
every single
Zulu.
person in here that has been
Zulu, you're dead.
subbing. We have 5 subs with your Amazon Primes. I appreciate you all.
Pepper
You guys do not
tasted.
have to spend money at all. We do not need your money, but if you guys have Amazon Prime, it is 100% free to sub and you won't get ads over there. Plus, you guys get entered into those giveaways, which is nice and fun.
These are the results. Damn, look at all the people that died.
All right, who was the winner? Can you mark it down?
The winner was Dante the Bot.
Dante the Bot. That's Dante.
Yo, that's worth it.
What's
Dante the Bot on Twitch. Are you in the Discord?
Dante the Bot?
Machiavelli said that's me. We need proof.
Yes.
No, just type in chat and say what your username is.
Yeah, type in the Twitch chat what
On
your
Discord.
username is in Discord. All right, let's choose a new map. Run it back for another giveaway.
So still got rejected off of that 714 off of a potential crack. Closed on the 1 minute. Unfortunately, got rejected here at the 3. I am still holding. It's a very, very light position, 2 contracts. But I do have an SL in at a pretty low spot, all the way down at 120. So I could lose $400 of my realized gains, which is the risk I'm willing to accept. But it did reject, and a full invalidation would be a sweep underneath this 710.72, same levels that we've been trading with, and a full close underneath. So yes, I'm willing to risk $200 per contract, right? So $400 total. However, that is just the absolute lows of the given contract. So if I were to actually stop myself based off of the chart, it would be significantly less risk in total.
I want to run a high elimination
Stockavelli.
cinematic crazy family. How does this look?
Stockavelli. Um, I need to add you. Oh, frick. I need to delete some people again.
Ooh. The Simpsons. Oh my god, it is The Simpsons. Guys, chat, same thing. Just type in exclamation point play and you will join. Give people some time to get in. Can we get a watch showing? What does that mean? What does that mean? Your wrist? Oh. Oh, you're not wearing a watch today. I
No.
want to see what I'm rocking today.
All right, Stockavelli. I just sent a friend request because I can't message you unless we are
Here, I'll take it
friends.
off.
So make sure to accept that, and I can give you the code.
Kind of bangerific. Definitious.
Oh, Stockavelli, you've won an account before in the past. Congrats.
Yeah, it's a Sharon Constantine Geneve type shit. That's nice as fuck. Thank you. I literally just got it. Literally, I just got it. We got people joining. 31 people. Who's not in the giveaway, man? You don't want free accounts or what?
All right, Stockavelli, I sent it to you, and make sure you can claim that for yourself. Vanquish stream at Stockavelli. Cool.
Mm.
That has
Good
been
chat.
sent. Also, guys, it came all the way back inside of that range. 715 being tested on queues. I am still in, and I am currently down just because of some decay. And again, that IV is slipping away. So it needs to reclaim that 715. If it does reclaim 715, I'll look for my given trim. And if it reclaims into the full 15-minute OR, that would give me insane validation that we are back inside of this range. Let's see where our 30-minute is first before we run another
Where I go,
giveaway.
Mike, type in Prophub trading.
So our 15-minute is literally all the way at the bottom there, guys. It's today's full range. So we are literally trading today's full 13-minute range, and we are just inside of that. On our 15-minute OR using deviations, we do have our orb low set at 716.09, guys. So I do have my cost average here at 322, which I am down, obviously, $40 in total off of these two cons, which it's fine. Not too much risk on the table, but risk nonetheless. I'm going to move my stop up from that 120 all the way up to 149 now, reducing my risk, my total risk, I should say. And I will still trade off of the chart.
What's wrong? This channel? You're on the wrong channel then. Wait, you can literally see it. Oh no, that's the Discord. You definitely clicked the wrong channel. It should say live. We sent the link to the Twitch.
Yeah, it's at Prophub Trading. If you're
I'll
trying to
resend
use
it
their
again.
search bar. Well, he's on mobile. That's why. So he needs to just type Prophub Trading in the search bar.
And then you'll see one of the channels says live.
So as we go retest this zone, guys, if it gets another hold of that 714, I'll probably add in 2 more contracts, and that will be my total risk for contract sizing for this trade of 716Cs. Looking to move through that 716 on a potential push, which again is your OR low for your 15. We are giving away, guys, a 50K account of your choosing, 100% for free for the first month. And if you guys pass, then hey, it was free.
Mike, did you figure it out? Oh, Zulu's in. Aileen is in. Damn, Zulu. What took you so long, man?
We had so many people, guys, get payouts off of these free accounts. So your spend was 0 and your payout was infinite based off of stats.
Here, chat, look at this. I had to do it, so now I'm twinning with Ace. We're Gold Cartier besties now. Kind of bangerific definitions.
I actually
we
have
good?
a pretty good story when it comes to the love bracelet.
Oh my god, is it about love?
No. No lab.
Chat, are we good? Are we ready? Are we starting? Is everyone in who wants to be in? It's pretty simple to get in. Gotta get some Cartier buffs now. I got to get actual buff now. How about that? Alright. I'm gonna give it like 10 more seconds and then we're starting. Bullshit? Mike, what's wrong? How come you're struggling?
Why are you mad?
Why are you mad then? Why are you struggling?
I thought that was our mic for a second. I'm like, our mic would never say BS.
Mike, what's the issue? You just gotta type in Prophub and it should come up because we're the only Prophub Twitch that's live.
Our mic, LOL. You like
Don't
that?
type in, like, literally in the search bar, don't type in anything else other than Prophub. Teacher said you think it's going lower, 4 retests failed. I think for NQ, if we lose to 600, we
Yep.
could potentially go lower.
I completely agree. To adjust my stops here. And that is testing our 382. What?
Mike, in the chat, type in exclamation point play. That's it. Pin it. All you gotta do to play is type in chat exclamation point play, and that's it.
So that
He's in.
was your
All right.
382 right there, getting a nice buyer wick on a 1 minute, on a 3 minute. It is still a nice sell candle, and that just closed on your 3. So could come still test that 712, but for the most point, trade is still valid. And yeah,
Ooh, 40 people. Man, people are still joining. What's taking so long, man? All right, I'm gonna start it. I've given way more than enough time. Ready? Bangerific.
definitious.
Definitious.
Makes Hugo Loco.
All the girls are delicious. What? 3, 2, 1, and 0. Bowser. Who's gonna take the early lead? Let's see. Let's see. Look at all of these balls converging. These are the kind of testes I want to see today. What?
Pardon?
What? For all of you guys that printed from the stream who are in Prophub, make sure to put it in the testes chat. Here we go. Anwar in the front. Toasty, first place. Oh my god. Toasty's printing? Rams is actually in the top 5 and not in last place.
I did get in
is
some
going on here?
714s as well, guys, splitting my risk up between 2 different strikes. And that would bring me at BE right here after that bounce of the 382. But still holding through. And let's see what the rest of this trade can give us. So again, 2 separate legs here, both on the call side, no verticals, no spreads. Just splitting my risk across 2 different strikes because 716 is obviously further out of the money. I wanted something that could be realized a lot quicker. So we're just seeing how this trade continues to develop.
Right
as
now,
long as it
Mr.
holds
Lucane is absolutely
712.
printing. Mr. Lucane is absolutely. Oh, someone gonna die? Oh shit, they're falling. They're falling down. Oh, look at Mr. Lucane. I swear he didn't hit a single thing. But Party's here to start the party. Oh, Lucane took the lead again. Here we go. Is he gonna hit the thing? No, straight through, easy. He's gonna go between the boosts. All right. He's gonna get stuck here. Oh my god, Party's just skipping.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I did not mean to do that.
Oh my god. Who's gonna come through?
Oh, I just made a big error, guys. I meant to trim, and I ended up buying more.
Oh my god, I'm in the tube.
It is okay. It is okay. I am okay.
This is kind of banger. Look at Mr. Lucane, absolutely printing ahead of the whole pack. Oh my god, he's gonna die. Oh no, he was too fast. Mr. Lucane's dead. Oh my god, all the people on the bottom right, they're dying.
There we
Taylor,
go, guys. Selling off that 714 leg. I did
Wait, who
purchase
skipped?
more at the bottom there by accident. Again, full transparency. I
Oh
told
my God,
y'all.
Party.
But I did realize some green off of that. Still red on the initial 716s. To which it's okay.
Party's the winner. Congratulations. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, bro. So many people died. That was actually crazy. That was actually crazy. Fish hats. Bang,
Nice
bang,
little
bang.
pop right there. So if you guys had both legs,
Scotty.
that win should have covered your loss, which mine did. I am currently realized 1,403, while I am currently down on the 716s, 244. So currently up 1,200 on the day if I were to full close this last trade for today's session.
Pink. Oh, that was banger. Party won, by the way. Congratulations, Party.
Party?
Are you in chat?
I know who Party is. Party's our boy.
I know. Is he here, though? You know what I'm saying? Is he here, though? Who's going to come in last? Oh, no. It's going to be Oive. Oh! Oh, the giant laser. Oh, everyone's dead. It's over. Party's the winner.
Here
Congratulations.
we go again, guys. Back at that 714, looking pretty strong here. Can it get the full reclaim all the way through? Let's see. About to be break even, and I will be taking right around 310-ish. Not looking for much off of this trade, especially being close to 1,500 on the day. So we will see.
Party, you won. So make sure to open a ticket, or are you just going to DM them?
I'll DM Party.
Yeah, all the winners, Ace is just going to DM you. So make sure you check that out. Do we have more?
One more.
One more? All right, chat. One more giveaway. One more race. One more race. Here we go. Should we do laps? Should we do laps, chat? Or do you guys just like the straight up point A to point B?
Bad boy Rams.
What should we do? Should we do, chat?
We are green again, guys, in that trade. It's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Actually, only that. Fees.
Yes, we're doing another race and we're doing another giveaway, so get ready.
Get ready, Freddies. You won't believe what you're about to see.
What do you think we should do?
What do you mean?
Should we do a point A to point B race or laps?
Or should we be nice to every single person that's here in Vanquish and run a duckies? Just to keep it simple. What do you guys think? You guys call it. You guys want
guys call
another
it.
marble? Or do you guys want, if you guys can't enter the
I'm gonna do
Twitch for
poll.
any reason, do you guys want to just run a nice leprechaun / duckies? And that did see green on that trade, guys. And even after securing on that 714 sees,
Answer the poll in chat. You guys want to do duck
of
race or
those
marble?
legs were nice and successful. And here we go again, back into the green once again. Nice. There's the push. Currently up 52, 66.
Beautiful printer.
Absolutely sexy. What a session today, guys. No oversizing here. Literally 4 contracts, and that is it. And that just hit my TP. We are now $1,533, all shown live. Every single entry, every single exit, all shown for y'all.
Hey, what do you think? We got 9-4.
If anyone is here, what? If anyone here is new, let us know in chat. How did you guys fuck with us today? Because look at that move. We cracked through that 715, approaching through that ORL. And that is my take right there at 320 on those 716s. So absolutely sexy analysis. Literally bottom tick today's session, which I didn't intend to. I don't care for a bottom tick, but that is exactly what happened all the way through to our ORL 15. Absolutely sexy.
I also sent, that's the Prophub Discord. We stream there every single day of the week from 9:20 a.m. before market open, and we do futures and options.
Big
and it's
Fox.
free. 100% free to join.
Look at that thing continue. And that right there, guys, is your 50% of that retracement from today's swing high all the way down to your swing low, from that data candle all the way to today's New York low.
All right, what do you think we should do? Marble race or duck race? It's 11-4 votes.
More people want marbles?
Uh-huh.
Then we got to run the marbles. We give
All right,
the
and
people what they
I
want.
want to do laps.
Let's do laps. Make it longer.
Here we go. Everybody join. Same thing. Exclamation point play. Let's see who joins first. Who's gonna be the sniper?
Who here is new to Prophub? Like us
Ooh,
as traders.
Dr. Mark.
I'm curious.
Fast as fuck.
Rams, what did you try to send? Me? Did you fuck with it, Jack? Did you appreciate the analysis today, or were you just like, yo, these guys yap a lot, lots of jargon, and I don't really understand shit of what they're doing? I appreciate you, Jack. I appreciate you.
Very simple. Join Twitch. Type in exclamation point play, and you will get in the giveaway. Oh, dude, this is like NASCAR. This is like straight up
NASCAR. Like what? Like fast cars. Like who? Who put that there?
Like who put that there? Be there or be square. 35 people. We're gonna give it 1 minute.
You got to follow? I appreciate you, Jack. That is massive.
We've done this enough. And guys, you got to type in exclamation point play again to join the new race. To make sure everyone knows. I'm literally going to give this one 1 minute because we've done this enough time. Not in the Discord chat, Mr. Zong. He's skidding me. Yeah, we've done enough races where you guys should understand how to join now. I'm literally giving it 1 more minute.
Testing 717. It's funny how a lot of these levels are aligning per dollar move on queues. Posture check? Well, shit.
Pretty good.
John,
good.
Posture.
It's from Rob.
My posture is perfect.
Oh, that was a nice crack. Holy.
Perfect posture. All right, we got 39 people. 39 people. Everyone should be able to join in 3.5 seconds. Exclamation point play on the Twitch. What do you say, Ace? We run it?
Give people 1 more minute. I know, you're too excited. What an absolute sexy session, guys. Absolutely sexy. Look at that. Even though it tried to reclaim your ORL, didn't matter because the chart charts. So if that said that was today's session 50%, guess what? That's where we're going to get pinned. And that's exactly what's happening. Look at it on a 3-minute. Look at it on a 5-minute. Absolutely gorgeous depiction of today's analysis, guys. We killed it today.
All right, I feel like it's enough time. Right?
Yep. How many people we got in there?
41.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. Start. All right. Who you got? Let's do some guesses. You know what? I got Rob.
Wow.
I got the Rob.
I have Jack C if he's in there.
I'm going to go first person too. I'm just going to follow one person. Taylor. Very nice. Ooh, no, I could skip to whoever's first. Oh, look at Rams taking the lead. Absolute banger. Holy moly. Look at this. Oh,
look at Rams
Anwar.
go. Look at Rams go.
Ooh.
Oh, Rams
Dr.
lost
Mark.
it.
Between Dr. Mark, Anwar, and Phineas right now.
Oh, let's go,
Ooh.
Phineas.
Phineas
I love
took the
Billie
lead.
Eilish's brother.
Absolutely fantastic.
Ooh, did you see Phineas's? Ooh.
This is lap 1, baby. Oh,
that was
Mag.
crazy.
Mag too nice. With the lead. Look at his jump. Banger. Look at him.
Whoa, Mag too nice.
Flying.
Drip
Absolutely
too hard.
Flying. Who's it gonna be?
Let's go, Phineas. Fawaz coming out of nowhere. Dr. Mark. Doctor with the doctor of spinning. PhD in spinning.
Oh my god.
How come everyone is a soccer ball? I thought we were marbles.
Yeah, let's watch Dr. Mark. Is he gonna take the lead? Is he gonna take the lead?
Ooh, Dr. Mark. It's the World Cup.
Oh,
Fawaz. Let's go, Dr. Mark.
Come on, Dr. Mark. I think this is lap 2.
Oh, Fawaz is too fit. He's been working on his fitness as the Lord as his witness. Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh wait, is this the final lap or is this lap 2?
This is lap 3.
Oh, right here. This is the final. Oh, it's done.
Boom.
Fawaz.
Fawaz was too fit, working on his fitness as the Lord as his witness. Congratulations. You just got yourself a 50K of your choosing. Also, guys,
Rob.
What did I say about getting pinned at that 50%? I did not care. The fact that was your ORL.
Right.
doesn't mean shit because the chart will still chart based off of all the information that it has, not just off of a 15-minute range.
You can go back to regular screen share if you want.
Yes, sir.
That was fun. That was fun. And thanks for everyone hopping on the Twitch chat, giving your Prime subs if you had them. That
And
is
let me
banger.
switch my cam.
My bad, JJ. Rob, I had faith in you. You came in almost last place.
Fawaz going forward. And let me grab that code for you. Bing, bang, boom. There you go. 50K of your choosing for Vanquish. Congratulations. Vanquish stream winner. That's Fawaz. No, thank you. He said thank you. No, thank you. Okay. How was today's stream, guys? Was it a W? Was it an L? You guys want more of this? What do you guys want? You guys want less analysis? More giveaways? What do you guys want?
Chat, WWE. What? You want us for fighting? More giveaways. W stream. W to all the winners. Yeah, today was banger. Today was banger. And if you fucked being with us, we trade live every single day, 100% for free. We're not those discords that's like, we're free, but if you want to see stuff, you have to pay money. No, we're like free. You see Ace's chart. Also, when we're trading futures and shit, you get to see he does a double screen share, so you get to see his trading view and his trade evade.
Today, people were able to see the full P&L on socials.
Pretty dope.
Who am I?
Pretty dope.
Who am
But yeah,
I?
you get to see his trade evade on stream live. So you see his entry, his fills, all his limit orders, his sizing. Pretty banger.
Pretty banger, guys. We stay 100% transparent. And again, if you guys liked our style of trading and you guys want to even try out futures, make sure to use code PHUB over there, which will always give you guys the best discounts. And if you guys want to check us across our daily streams, make sure to check us out at Prophub Trading everywhere, from Discord /Prophub to Twitch /Prophub Trading, Instagram Prophub Trading, and Ace of Trades with 3 S's at the end.
Yo,
We love you guys.
Wait, hold on. Before we leave, this Vanquish chat is so banger. Like, they're so active. Make sure you guys follow us on socials. I just sent 2 links in chat. That's the Prophub page and the Ace of Trades page. Make sure to follow. You know, follow, engage, comment, like, all that stuff. We appreciate every single one of you. And for the Prophub people, we will see you tomorrow.
And there is our Discord if you guys want to join that as well. Where we daily stream every single day. But if you guys want your options, then hey, Vanquish has options trader almost every single day for you guys. It's not just us hitting bangers. They hit bangers nonstop as well. Taylor just said class tonight.
No, class was yesterday.
No, for Amar premium announcement. Yeah, Thursday did win. So it will be today at 8:30 EST for you premium folks. Thank you for reminding me, Taylor. I'll put out an announcement for y'all. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining us. And tomorrow we have Free Game Friday, where we will be going through our pre-market analysis, our daily breakdowns to every single trade that we took, and all of the sauce. I will see you guys tomorrow for Free Game Friday. Peace out. We love y'all. Until next Thursday. Later, Vanquish.
Peace.